I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and this is your weather on demand. Today we mustered 63 degrees, but check out the average now. We are in the 50s. October is our fastest cooling month. We go from 59 on the 1st and also to 45 degrees come the end of the month. We drop almost 15 degrees. The average low is 40 degrees for this time of the year, so we certainly were well above that, 52. And now that September has come to a conclusion, it's been a warmer than average month. We'll have more stats for you on that in just a minute. Sunset tonight is 7:31. Record, we did 80 degrees back in the year 2000. Also, the record low is 24 degrees, so that shows that, well, we can get some very cold stuff. The winds out of the northeast that helped to fuel some fog earlier in the morning, especially the highest elevations in Marquette. Also something in Berga County as well. They kind of picked up on some of the moisture from Lake Superior and also from that system downstate, which gave us a lot of rainfall earlier in the week, helped to spark some of that fog earlier this morning. Well, here are those September stats. Really, two words for you to sum up September. It was warm and we saw quite a bit of rainfall. Now, talking about specifically how much rainfall we saw, it was 5.70 inches of rain. Matter of fact, this was the wettest September in 5 years, so since September of 2011. As far as the warm temperatures go, 3.3 degrees above average for this time of the year, including one 80-degree high earlier in the month. And only 4 days were below average for the entire month, so 4 out of 30. Doing the math, that's 13.3% of the days were below average, so no wonder we were so warm for a good part of the month. We're not done with the warmth yet. The warm spell is going to continue through at least the next week. A storm system has moved off to the south, now in southern Indiana. But still, you can really see a real sharp demarcation between the warmth off to the west, 71 degrees over in Pierre. Look off to the east from our 50s over in Sawyer and also downstate as well. That system has been moving there for about 5 days now. It's been since it affected us on Sunday. You can see it really wrapping up quite nicely there in the Kentucky border. It's going to be tracking off to the north and east. So that means, yes, once again, our weather is going to be impacted by the same storm system. It starts to actually gain some more strength. It kind of lost a lot of that the last couple of days due to being cut off from the main branch of the jet stream. Jet stream is going to be picking it up a little bit anyways and help to move it along. So notice the rainfall across downstate. For us though, drizzle, particularly the southeast portion of the UP, so right along Lake Michigan, Manistee, Newberry, that's the area Saturday afternoon you'll have to watch out for rainfall. Main concern, my thinking is late Saturday night into Sunday morning is the best chance to see rainfall across that same area. Of course, as the low pressure gets closer to us, that's when we can see 9 a.m. Sunday. But that too is going to be a very sharp cutoff line. Across the west, we should be dry. You will see clouds from this system, but really nothing to worry about. Then Sunday afternoon kind of skirts out of our area, and we're finally, after a week, done with this system. In some places, we'll have brought more than 2, even 3 inches of rainfall. Here's tracking this out for you. Saturday afternoon, the rainfall starts to come on through. Sunday afternoon as well. We're not done quite yet. We're still talking about 1/3 to maybe 1/2 an inch of rainfall. But again, notice that sharp line from, say, Manistee there, 4/10 of an inch, up to Munising, practically nothing. So we'll be that sharp line as well. We'll see how far this rain can go northward. I don't think it's going to make too much progress, though. High temperatures, well, they're going to be affected greatly by the clouds and the rain. Low 60s across this whole southeast portion of the UP. Heading off to the west, so we'll be in the middle and upper 60s. Iron Mountain will do 64 degrees. Houghton 65. Marquette, you're cooler because the winds are going to be out of the north and east. Sunday, kind of similar deal as well. 60 degrees will be our high in Newberry, so more seasonable out that way. But Ironwood, 64 degrees. Houghton, middle 60s as well, so we'll take that one while we can. Your TV 6-day forecast does feature above average temperatures right on through the extended period. 60s every day. The clouds and the rain skirt out by Monday. Monday and Tuesday, we're in the mid-60s. Wednesday, near 70 degrees. Warmer in areas across the south. Rain comes in on Thursday before temperatures get knocked back to the 50s come next weekend.